Alright you guys, I thought I would show you the stain in the pillow. This is my Christmas pillow. See how cute? And then Slade spilled something on it. I've been trying to wipe it out and I figured I would show you my stain removal process while I'm going. So what I use is just like a white cloth right here. And then I'm going to try out this Grandma's Secret Spot Remover. So we'll try this out and see if we can get that stain out. And it's important to get your the fabric wet before you put on any kind of stain remover, because it'll help it not stain with the stain remover, if that makes any sense. I've also got a little spot up here. I'm just scratching that into the stain. And then I'm going to get my cloth wet again and wipe it off. Alright, as you can see, it looks like it came out. I'm going to let the pillow dry and I'll show you guys the pillow after it's dried so we can see if it actually came out completely. Alright you guys, I thought I would show you the pillow after it's dried, and that stain is definitely gone. So that cleaner is awesome. I've used it on so many things. I've just never tried it on a pillow before, which I love this pillow. But it's awesome, and I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!